Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Many times you see photographers, whether you are a amateur or a professional, when you click these pictures from your DSLR camera or whatever, you get this little red eye that comes on certain people's pupils. Now this happens because sometimes when the flash is too bright, the light reflects back on the pupil and it comes back to the camera. So this is not a problem, it happens. Now thanks to Photoshop and one inbuilt feature that is called the red eye tool, you can take off the red eye in a second. Now let's get started. It's a very small tutorial, but I'll explain it to you so you can try it on your images. Now this is the image I've got and this is the red eye. So the tool is inside over here, the red eye tool. If you cannot locate it, just press the J letter on your keyboard and you will come to this tool. Just click and drag it and you will get the red eye tool. Now let me explain what this tool does basically. As the name suggests, red eye tool. So basically it just takes off red wherever you make the selection. Now for example the lips, if I make a selection over here, it will take off the red. See? So the concept is very simple. Photoshop has made a tool that just takes off red from the selection. So we will just undo, and now we will use this tool on the eye. Over here you can see certain ranges that you can select. Now the pupil size I've kept it as 80% and the darken amount at 40%. You can play with it depending on your picture and how big and small the pupils are. So I've adjusted this to 80 and 40, the best that suits this image. And all you need to do is just click and drag and it's gone. You see? It's that simple. So what you can do is you can practice the same on any of your images, and if you have any problem, please do message me and comment in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to reply to your comments. So please do practice it. Thank you, enjoy, and please do not forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Take care and bye bye.